Busiama wakaba Fabra Ghana and Sem TV eso asemaba ne se yenuanom a omo fisirem yenuanom musirem foni bedi nsema to dwa se e mana so se omo begya ya bato omo toma NDC sanse NDC edi omo hwambo ache nsema yenuane de to dwa no enu nie mo yenhwembra
eye yenuanom a ye wo no yesremo aduru mra e wo se yesisa ya adwene e wa abato won enye se ya wo ye no eti by force was say to Yabama NDC. NDC Baba mu omum one off. Say NDC Bakoswa a north. Yanko Emma NDC Mbra Baima a north. Yan fire ready Enko Emma NDC Mbra Baima a north. As Yamusa was say a put to a bana NDC ban off what Yamae. A put to a bang. Share a year MPs of free north. NDC by my appointment on the my MPs no a does to change Asante Regi Bebre and so Yamusa was no MPs or Mufri North no a deben on my Omania Shemae NDC Suba by ma Omania Shemae research Kaka my young say NPP by ma or Bois North a chain NDC. Sa me list Kakrabia, me pesa me muboso. Asha and put to NPP by mu or the man north. NPP by him no Bogatanga Hospital, Regional Hospital, Phase 2, NPP AC. Oko Tolon Hospital, Omusi, Nalerigu Hospital, Omusi, Bupe, Omusi, Salaga, Omusi, Garutempane, Omusi, Sola, Omusi, Zuarungu, Omusi, Oba Tamale Suswa, Tamale Interchange, NPP na Tamale Airport Phase 2 NPP na Tamale Water Project a boa ma omo Tamale Petom enyansuo NPP Upper East NPP Sasi Water Project in Buo wa NPP si Water Project in Buo Salagasa Musasi Water Project Naregu Sports Complex NPP si ma youth no ena uko kalua omusi solar plant MI Chrono ana oba walwale a fubsi walwale fubsi NPP drone center o ana walwale na biem NPP SI astroturf for na lerigu NPP astroturf for bungurugu NPP astroturf for trepone NPP astroturf for gagaba NPP astroturf for ana project ana anyone NPP ma ema ne ba ho College of Nursing and Midwife na lerigu NPPC the same College of Nursing and Midwife no Yagaba NPPC ebiem Mampurisi West NPPC College of Nursing ana oba wungu walwale wungu NPPC Fire Service Station training fire service oba Northeast Regional Coordinating Council NPPC 3-story building ena ekwan oba kwan susu a tamale to yendi to tatale NPPA bimbla NPPA ena boga to boko NPPA so atiase eti we kura ye kakra bia me ya me hu yo ukọ yape susu a NPP water project ena drip machines na buy no esrem obi anya ne de ena ambulance nanado echema ne su yenuanu siremfo so eso esrem de bia ye to yaba ema NDC efa so be ne yenya free NDC so efa so bia nu a yenya free NDC so abansman ababen we speaker of parliament and put to be no de akonof hwe MPC atitiri wa omo north ede be no maya boy north esu de bia ye free north no kwa de wose yeto ya bama NDC e wose mo me yesesem e wose mo me hu se abato we e wo nsusu aso eti mo me yesese ya adwene se abato mo ne ebehia ne ntokwa beba na ye north fo na eko enso ba Asante Regional omo bedidi atem de ba omo nko da omo bedidi omo atem so omo nko ba se ye nko ye fa ye moja enko emma party a north ya bre no fufuo ya bre wo se yesisa ya bato na NDC ba omo nwene ye ho mo me yesisa ya bato na NDC ba omo nwene ye ho voter region omo so re omo to omo ba ma NDC a omo so menya omo time aba ho abetire project a NPP ba omo ye no voter as voter for to omo ba ma NPP esiremfo ye sremo mo me yesisa ya adwene na NDC ya to ya ba ma NDC sa ye hu fa so bi a e dia breye.
Alright, ebusunya, edi am jeso any promise the blog e be ma wakwa biem dia baga na nsem TV eso. Video kokko hwe enua ba me fe ne post G a ofi eye insirem mantem mu. Na odi atodwa se abra bi NDC be papa wa bia no. Omo de insiremfo no adwen edi agro. O kire mu se wo hwe mpuntudwuma bebre wo eye sirem mu a MPP aban ne be ye. Obi te se ne okopiem wo yendi akwan papa ya ye wo yendi. Enya MPP ne ye. Temali interchange awon fefefe MPP ne ye. Even Temali eye airport e wo no MPP ne ba be see ya in the international airport to kire mu se to hwe mpuntudwuma eni MPP aban ayama ayesremfo a hwe wale watermelon factory a nyina MPP nsa no dwuma ne bia omoye e wo sirem mu to kire se emna so se wo se enuanu mu eye esremfo a omo sirem no beja ya ba omotuma NDC na omata ato abade amade New Patriotic Party fe ne se MPP oso ko manyoku no se ne be ya kumtu a omo ba omoye e wo other regions no omo so nsa betimi akabi na tansem we ye nsem a ebusuya eto asumu anya nsanso yeden ewo mu pa esan se wo hwe gan ha ye wona region a ohia ewo ho pa no eye apa eye west region and the most poorest region in the whole of Ghana region how ohia abebrese ene eye amanihunu mu pa de eye upper west region na sa region we mu na enyanum tafo no so bebre eden ifri wo hwe the 5 or 6 northern regions ye wo the northern region, the upper west, upper east, northeast, and the Savannah region. So the 5 northern regions are one of Ebusuya. Oshe Ohia ni padodo migrating from north, about south to Abepa Greener, kind of say pastors Ebusuya. It tells you Ohia Dudua, a war, the northern part of Ghana. But these same people keep voting for the NDC every time. And the question we are asking is say, they are some nom ka omukachi omu. What is the message almost selling them on? And then they keep on voting one side. Whilst the person I want to manage no and a baby or baby and obey puntunjuma edemount. This is some of the things that I've been asking myself, say, is there something that we don't know? Baby we don't have any idea about, because this thing is something that keeps coming across my mind. Say, why is it that these people are the people like Yabua, but they always turn against us and vote against we rather? What I say, and it's something that I think we need to look into it, ask ourselves the reason why these things keeps on happening, because that makes sense. Because why do you vote against someone that always bring development to you? What I say, but I'm told say that is how they have been manipulated too. And I don't know, I idea how yi papa just nipa no do na adwen etisa day in day out, no adwen is the they have started realizing that said no, these people have been playing with us for so long, and now no, they are saying that time I was say almost I'm about to the NDC. And I'm very sure that you in the comment section will also say what these people or what this guy is saying no correct. Ebusuya we nsem a post G e dia to dia. Hi Ghana Nsem TV. Ma me hu so adwen che comment section mu. Na message we say bra bia obehwe Ghana Nsem TV no. Subscribe to channel ne de maye. Unu sade ba kwa aboa video no kwa chi pa like no. So the also 2 minutes kwa na like it. Comment no chiro bibi keke efamaye we ne bua e ma Ghana fo ewiase nyina mo bone a NDC aban no ebu we so bua ma Ghana fo e so ma dwen e different deal so na be 2028 e betimi di NPP aba power na utata mamudi ba wo mia NPP aban na beji Ghana e fini nkwansoma ende no me nyina e wo ma ye bre yi obaji e de afim Ghana Nsem TV e na wo share ye medin am this one e promise the blogger.